In this example, I'm going to show you how to factor a difference of squares. And a difference of squares, if I highlight that phrase, is simply the difference means subtraction, between two quantities that are being squared, so squares. So quantity A and quantity B. And the way that this always factors is the product of A minus B times A plus B. Now, there are some things to notice with this formula. First of all, if the quantity being squared that comes first in your difference is A, then A must come first in both of these factors. We know the order that you subtract quantities in makes a big difference, so this order right here makes a big difference. Make sure that order stays the same. Okay, so we're going to use this method right here to factor these two polynomials. So in example A, I have 49x squared minus 9y to the sixth. So the first thing that I want to do is rewrite this polynomial so it's really obvious what is being squared in both of those quantities. Okay? It's not enough that the x is being squared, it has to be the whole term. So I'm going to rewrite this as something squared minus something squared. So 49 is 7 squared, and x squared is x squared. So really, to get 49x squared, I just have to square this term. Okay, I'll do the same thing here. 9 is 3 squared, and y to the sixth power is y cubed squared. If you use your properties of exponents, you can see that this is the same. Okay, so now it's really obvious that this quantity is A and this quantity is B. So I just use my formula up here. This is equal to the product of two factors, 7x minus 3y cubed, and in the second factor, 7x plus 3y cubed. And we're finished. So in part B, we're going to do pretty much the same thing. So what I want to do is rewrite this so it's really obvious what two quantities are being squared. So 64 is 8 squared, and this second term is already written in the perfect format, x plus y quantity squared. So again, I can see that 8 is my A value, and x plus y is the B value. So I'm going to have a product of two factors, 8 minus x plus y and 8 plus x plus y. Whenever you have a whole quantity here, make sure you put it into parentheses, because you're subtracting the whole thing. In fact, what I'm going to do is simplify these factors a little bit so they don't have two layers of parentheses. So this is 8 minus x minus y as I distribute that negative. And the second factor is 8 plus x plus y. And there are no like terms to combine here, no like terms to combine here, so this is my final answer.